Now the next step goes to purchase book. See what are all the purchase character is there. Bought goes March 1, March 2, then what March 18. That's it. So 3 character in purchase book. See the 3 character. Wait. See what are all the credit transaction. March purchase from Hari 1 March 1. Then so you have to enter credit transaction alone. So March 18 bought from Shyam Lal. Credit transaction alone. Then 2 transaction unknown. We have to enter in purchase book. See Hari Lagno laptop 5 laptop 35 each. So 35,000 into 5. The same way 25,000 into 5. So 1,75,000, 1,25,000. Around we will get 3 lakhs. Now you have to reduce trade discount 3 lakh into 15%. You will get 45,000. You have to less with the 3 lakh. So now you will get 2,55,000. Now you can go for CGST, SGST, 2,55,000 into 6%. So you will get 15,300. The same way, the second character also you will do 10,000. I mean 1,000 into 10, 10,000, 5,000 into 10, 5,000, around 15,000. Now 15,000, there is no any other discount is here. So you just go for IGST because of Delhi. Our native place is vary. So this is another state. So you have to calculate IGST 12%. 15,000 into 12 by 100. So you will get 6,800. Now you add up with that 15,000 plus 1,800, around 16,800. The same way you have to do the sales book. And now you will start your ledger account. So capital account means cash account debtor to capital account. So the main characters is enough actually. So cash account, capital cash account, we made that already. We made that, no need to do separately. Cash account, capital account, purchase account, because cash purchase also there, cash sales also there. So you have to do purchase account, capital account, purchase account. The name Hari. Okay. Input CGST, input SGST, output CGST, output SGST. So yeah, input CGST, SGST, purchase at the time of purchase, output CGST, SGST at the time of sales. See what are all the, I'll teach you how to do IGST, SGST. Okay. See your cash book. So what are all, you just count there. How many GSTs or how many CGST are there, how many SGST are there. You just number it out. You figure it out. One is input CGST, 1, 2, 3. The same one here also 1. So CGST 4, the same way SGST or 2, 4. IGST only 1, I think so. IGST here at the time of Purchase book, we have IGST 1. Okay. See the CGST. As I told you, March 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 character. 4 times CGST. And so input CGST 4. So we just totally input CGST, output CGST. How we can, we will find out mean. Here the credit side CGST, SGST, all the credit side tax or input CGST, all the debit side taxes output CGST. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. The same here also, and credit. So in purchase book also 1 CGST are there. So totally 4 CGST we have. See, you just write to cash 300, to Hari, to cash, to cash. By balance carry down, you just total it up 16,900. This way you have to calculate CGST, IGST and SGST. These are all the personal accounts. Ramesh Chand, the same way. Well, see, I'll teach you Ramesh Chand account. Ramesh Chand, what are all the dealing he has? Ramesh. See, how many Ramesh are involved? 1 March 10 debit. I mean, cash account data to Ramesh. 2 cash transaction. 2 Ramesh was here. Then here no Ramesh is here. So 2 Ramesh and yes. See the Ramesh account. One is sale account. March 10 buy bank. I told you no 2 Ramesh account. March 10 and March 14. So 20,000, 10,000 rupees. See in Ramesh account, total 75,000. So there are 2 Ramesh account is here. Bank account data to Ramesh account, bank account data to Ramesh account. So here the now the total is 75,000 plus 49,440. The total is 1,24,440. Now the 1,24,440 bank account data to Ramesh account. So you place your hand in credit side in Ramesh account because Ramesh is credit. No, you just place your hand in your credit side and write by bank 75,000. Here the printing mistake. By bank 49,440. Your total amount will be 1,24,440. Now you just add the debit side 1,25,440. Here 1,24,440. You just less both columns. You will get 1,000. This 1,000 is called discount allowed because at the time of discount allowed only, discount allowed account data, because discount allowed is considered as an expenses. So discount allowed account data to that particular person. So discount allowed is always debit. Discount received. Discount received nature is Ramesh account. Who's the receiver? The Ramesh account data. to discount received. So you will get debit balance. This is our expenses. Ramesh has to pay. So this discount allowed credit side 1,000 rupees you will get. This 1,000 rupees only called discount allowed. This is actually discount allowed is balanced amount. Balanced amount means after balancing our debit and credit balance, the net figure is discount allowed. If this amount will get this side, that is called discount received. Now we will get our credit balance, 1,000 rupees credit balance. So you have to write discount allowed 1,000 rupees. The same way you have to create Jagadi's account and outputs IGST, CGST. Around 2 hours it will take one sum. So the next step you have to move on. Yes, the next trial balance. Now you have to do the trial balance. See, before start your ledger, you have to count all the ledger, how many ledgers we have to prepare. See, I will tell how to count there. See, bought goods for cash. So purchase account data to cash account. Here two accounts are there. One is cash account, another one is purchase account. So purchase account here Lagno. Then purchase account we already count. Two accounts are there. One is cash book, another one is purchase book. Here Hari. So third person is Hari. Third account is Hari account. Purchase computer, Mr. Mart, again cash. This is cash transaction, no? So purchase book, cash, purchase account data to cash account. We already count there. Deposit into bank, then bank account, that is also include cash column. So no need to prepare separate account. Sold goods. Sold goods to Sri Ramesh. So sales book you have to prepare. Fourth account. Fifth one is Ramesh account. Receive check from Sri Ramesh. Okay. Receive another check Ramesh. Okay. Now total is 5 accounts. Sold goods to Jagadish. So here also sale Jagadish account you have to prepare ma. Jagadish account. Then trade discount uh, at the time of sale. So we trade discount received account. Sixth account is discount received account you have to prepare. Six. The Shyam 7 paid to Shyamlal. Okay. Then salary account, rent account, cash deposit for personal use. This is also we enter drawing account. These are all the accounts we have to prepare. See the trial balance. Capital, I told you no, cash account data to capital account. Purchase account. The purchase account 2,90,000. The purchase book, the total of purchase book 2,95,000. See the purchase book. See purchase book. The total of purchase book amount 2,95,000. No, so purchase nature is debit. So under trial balance you have to place debit balance. Purchase debit 2,95,000. Hari is sales, credit sale. Hari involved in credit sale. So 2,85,600. I'll show you how to how to decide debit or credit. See the Hari's book, Hari's ledger book, Hari's ledger book. See the Hari's ledger book. So balance carried down, no? Then Hari account data to balance. So you have to write in our book credit balance, because in Hari's character plays in debit role, but in our book we have to play credit 2,85,600, because Hari is involving, I'll show you, Hari is involving credit transaction. See, see the Hari. Purchase from Hari. Then purchase account data to Hari account. Hari playing credit role, no? You have to play. You have to place his balance to credit side. Hari playing credit role, so 2,85,000. The same way, input CGST, input SGST. So input CGST, input SGST, you have to place debit side. Output CGST, output SGST, you have to place credit side. So here Hari input CGST. So the next one is output CGST, credit side. Jagadish playing debit role. I'll show you Jagadish account. How Jagadish playing debit role. See the Jagadish. March 15, sold goods to Jagadish. Sold goods to Jagadish means Jagadish account data to sale account. Okay. So here Jagadish playing debit role. Jagadish account data to sale account. So that Jagadish playing debit role. Jagadish debit. The same hereafter you will get easy. Sales nature is credit, so you just place the sales book total figure 2,35,000. Discount allowed nature. Discount allowed means 1,000 rupees. This 1,000 rupees we will get no. So 1,000 rupees discount allowed nature is debit, because it is considered as an expenses. So discount allowed nature is debit. 1,000 rupees. Rent paid, rent account data to cash account. Then rent nature is debit, 1,500. Discount received, cash account data to discount received. So now discount received nature is credit, 300. The same way cash balance, bank balance. These two character come from cash book balance. So in cash book balance, see how we will get, this is debit side, this will come credit side. I will show you. Cash book. See the balance carried down. Balance carried down play the role of credit side. So this carry down will follow to the next year brought down. This year closing balance is called next year's opening balance. Is go to next year opening balance. Okay. so that this closing balance debit nature. The same way 1,27,400 also debit nature, because this year closing balance to next year opening balance. So opening balance means is ready to spend, ready to spend this money, so that cash 7,900 and bank 1,27,400. It is very easy to transfer trial balance place. See, another way I'll tell one easy way. See, salary, see the balance carried down, it playing credit role. It just opposite of trial balance. That's it. The sales account playing credit role, no? This, you have to place in this salary account just opposite of ledger. Credit side, you have to enter in trial balance debit side. That's it. It's just opposite side of balance. The same way drawings. The drawings is a liability playing a debit role, because it is considered as an expenses.